goat tracks. Goat fur all in there. Yeah.
That means that hole gets like 30 feet of snow.
Dane, lead dog?
Yeah, Dane.
Oh, probably more than 30 feet.
Yeah.
Lead job. It's a parasitic wasp carrying a spider. So let's back up a little bit, let it do its thing. I think its hole is right under there. So there it goes.
Let's just walk over here then.
Yeah, walk around it.
Cool.
Yeah, I thought that was like
He's got
some
his
kind
meal.
of caterpillar or something.
Got a meal for the night.
Yeah, that's not his meal. What he does with that is he buries it and lays his egg right on top of it and leaves it alive. That is alive right now. That's a live spider.
And the babies eat off it?
The baby eats it alive.
Whoa. Pretty insane.
Yeah, so he'll drag it, or she will drag it a fair ways.
That's pretty dang cool.
Yeah, that's a baby version, well not a baby version, but like
Yeah,
a small version of a
Yeah.
tarantula hawk, basically.
Yeah.
And he's,
Yeah, it has a
that
little bit of
tarantula is doing the same thing, that little spider's doing the same thing that tarantulas do when they get paralyzed. They just throw their legs up. I know, I'm not going towards the edge. As opposed to another kind of picture. Wow.
That is a drop.
That's a good old drop right there. And crawl back. Don't want to trip here.
Oh my.
Woo. That's a drop. It's hard to kind of strafe sideways and try to get good footage of that. Oh my god. Look at that. Don't get too close, Cooper.
Right back down. Yeah. I like this area down here.
Whoop.
No holes in that snow, is there?
Probably.
Okay.
So, walking on it is kind of a gamble.
Yeah, I think I'll go around.
Humdrum V. Wow. Ow.